Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you what I've done with this one. I've decorated it. I want to show you what I'm going to do with it. If you can remember, if you watched that video, we made this traveler's notebook with a laminated cover, and we made this one as its case. So I still have a lot of goodies right there. Maybe I'll show you that in a little bit. And then this one, I wanted to do a flip through. I brought this to our trip. We did travel to Europe in 2019, and this is what I brought with me with some minimal supplies. So what I did is I made this traveler's notebook, and then I pre-decorated some of the pages, just really flat ones. And then while we were on the trip, I was able to put a lot of details into it. So let me show you. So this one, I just put the letters, and then this one is laminated, so it helps with the protection because you can see it's a little bit run down. So I suggest you get 5 mm at least, because this one is 3 mm and it's a little bit flimsy. So if you have a chance, I would use 5 mm, the thickness of the laminating sheet. So as you go through, I just put like a card of the hotel, and then just put some washi, some stickers, and then a lot of journaling. I was able to do a lot of journaling, so I was able to preserve a lot of information and detail of this trip. So pretty much when I did this, I pre-decorated it. I just put these, and then the small other details are just the ones that I did like at the nighttime when we were resting while we were in our trip. So these one, I just glued it there after we got it. So that's why I was able to do a lot of journaling. And then I left some space because I knew that I'm going to be putting some pictures. So I left space, and then I jotted down what photo I'm going to put in there. So I was able to preserve a lot of memories, and it was a lot of detail that is in there because, you know, I got some tickets. I have, you know, all these information, some tickets for the CN, I think this is a CN River boat pass or ticket. So the good thing about this collection that I used is it has all these, so it was like prompts for me to put photos in. So it's super helpful if you like to scrapbook during the trip. This is a great option because you bring minimal supplies because you've done the pre-work. And that's why I like to use a single-sided paper that I get from Tuesday Morning, because it allows me to, you know, to journal on the blank pages and then just decorate it as I see fit. So in this trip, we went to Paris first, and then we went on a cruise. So that's why, and these I just hand painted them because I brought with me an aqua brush. So I just hand painted them, and then, you know, as soon as I got home, I printed some pictures, I added it there, put some washi, and it was done. Because I just put these are already there. These are already there before the trip. So, and then if you don't like, see, I have the pamphlet from the garden, botanical garden that we went to in Visby. And then if you don't like the white, you can easily cover it with your scraps. So that's why I thought I wanted to share this for those traveler scrapbookers that like to scrapbook on the go. It doesn't have to be all filled. Like this one is just simple with a picture on the opposite side. So, you know, the paper, choosing the papers really help. As you can see, this is just a blank page. This is both white. I just put this scrap paper in there. And then, you know, it took me no time to finish my scrapbooking for this trip, and then I get to keep it. So, yeah. So the next time I'm going to travel, I'm going to make a video of what I will bring with me so that you can see. It's very minimal supplies because I can't really bring heavy things. See, like this one is already a pre-decorated one. And then if I want to put additional pictures, I would put a picture here and a little bit of scrap, and then journal here. Or, you know, it's up to you how you want to decorate and journal it. So yeah, this one is not filled. But anyways, so I think 3 signatures is enough. This one is a 7-day trip, but it was enough for that. So this other version of a traveler's notebook, this could be, so I went to Pinterest because I wanted to do some journaling. So I printed out some journal prompts and I cut them. Let me show you. So this one, these are the 3 pages that we did. I just decorated the front part. This one is plain because I decorated the first page. And then this one, I decorated the front part, but the inside is not decorated. So I cut the journaling prompts into strips and then layered it with some paper. So here, let me show you. So this, you're gonna journal your answers to the question in the blue. So what's draining my energy? How can I reduce or cut it out? I think it helps with, you know, just getting to know yourself maybe. Or you can give this as a gift to a friend. You know, where does my pain originate, etc. Lots of thinking about things and putting it down on paper. What advice would I give my younger self? Do I follow this advice now? So, you know, these are all cut aparts from the paper. It's a Dear Lizzie paper. And then, you know, I just glued them there while I was watching Netflix. See, it's a great present, I think. So this one is all decorated, but I don't have any more prompts. But it's just layering up all those things that I fussy cut. See? Just flowers from the paper. Just fussy cut them and layered them there. Right? Some of the embellishment clusters that I made. And I thought it was pretty sweet. I put some stitching on some of them. See, just stickers. And then this one is the next page. This one has more. What lesson did I learn this week? So, you know, you can jot down what lessons you learned this week. I would put a date if I were you. What hobbies would I like to try? I think this needs to be decorated a little bit further. Where would I want to live in my ideal life? Isn't that sweet to be able to decorate and use a decorated journal? What is something I would love to learn? Where would I like to travel in the next 5 years? So some things about, you know, your thoughts, some questions, some journaling prompts. What can I do to better take care of myself? So I found this all in Pinterest. So you just type journaling prompts and it's going to show you some links. And then I printed it and cut them into strips and layered them with a dark, I think this is blue. I know you can't see it very much with the lighting, but it's dark blue. Who means the world to me and why? What are my strengths? And what am I really good at? So, it involves a little bit of introspection. What does my ideal morning look like? What do I love about myself? But it's very pretty going through it. Just simply decorated with, you know, cut aparts from the paper collection so you know that it matches. This would be perfect if you're joining the No Paper Left Behind challenge. This would be great as well. So this one is still empty because I ran out of cut aparts. And this is a sticker from the sticker collection. So I thought I would share that with you guys. I hope that helps you and inspires you to use your scrap stash. And it will be a great idea for No Paper Left Behind. That is initiated by Daniela Hayes. I hope that helps. Stay crafty. Have a wonderful crafty day. Take care, guys. Bye.